Bakit kapag nag-study kay parating gutom? The last time no nag-study ako for my July exam, I gained like, I don't know, 4 kilos or 5. Sinubukan ko sana na mag-weigh down. But, look now, how can I resist this? Yung friend ko, kasama namin sa bahay na nagluto siya ng pancake and binigyan niya ako. So, thank you so much, Jean, for this. Itadakimasu. How about you guys? What would you prefer na i-ano nito? Yung, masarap to pag nilagyan ng ano, diba? Ng syrup. Either condensed milk or honey. But me, I would prefer nothing. Okay? This is already sweet enough. Itadakimasu. Alam mo.